Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope that you are all doing awesome. Today, this video we will discuss about Facebook platform. So here we type Facebook. Here are some images of Facebook. This is the icon of Facebook. We will here some images of Facebook, but we have to find some information for Facebook. Here are some results. Here, what is Facebook? Facebook is a social networking site that make it easy for you to connect and share with family and friends online. Originally designed for college students, Facebook was created in 2004 by Mark Zuckerberg while he was enrolled at Harvard University. At Harvard University, at by 2006, anyone over the age of 13 with a valid email address could join Facebook. Today, Facebook is the world's largest social network with more than 1 billion users worldwide. Why we use Facebook? Have you ever wondered why people like using Facebook? After all, there are already a lot of other ways to communicate online, like through email, instant messaging, and so on. What makes Facebook unique is the ability to connect and share with the people you care about at the same time. For many, having a Facebook account is now an expected part of being online, much like having your own email address. And because Facebook is so popular, other websites have worked to integrate Facebook. This means you can use a single Facebook account to sign in the different services across in the web. So these are the main pictures of Facebook. Okay, you can create your account with email address and put a password in it. So that is very easy. How does Facebook sharing work? Facebook allows you to send messages and post status updates to keep in touch with friends and family. You can also share different types of content like photos, links, but sharing something on Facebook is a bit different from other types of online communication. Unlike email address, instant messaging, which are relatively private, the things you share on the Facebook are more public, which means they will usually be by seen by many other people. While Facebook offers privacy tools to help you limit who can see the things you share, it's important to understand that Facebook is designed to be more open and social than traditional communication tools. Communicational tools we will talk more about sharing and controlling your privacy in our lessons on Facebook. Lessons on Facebook privacy and adjusting privacy. If you want more information, here are some results, but we will not discuss about this introduction. If you are thinking about joining Facebook, this lesson will show you everything you need to get started. We will explain some common Facebook terms and how to create a Facebook account. We will also explore the Facebook homepage, timeline, and Facebook for media mobile devices. So this is all for this video. Please like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.